Subscribe.
Beautiful baby from Africa.
African babies.
African baby.
Taking shower in the river.
They're taking shower
In the river.
in the river, guys. So
Ah.
you can swim also. You can come in.
Yeah.
Always guys, enjoy the video. For more big news show, go to join Patreon to enjoy. So you go the live and then to make out video to enjoy the moment. They enjoy African beauty. Yes. So guys, welcome again our YouTube channel for another video. Yes, I do this. I do one thing. Oh. The sun is hot too. Oh. So to make this video happy, to make you happy guys, to make you happy every day, make sure guys you support me. You support Baba Touch, because Mama Touch is a lot to join this for this month, because my baby is growing now. So we want to make more, to create more on the river. It's a very hot guys. From Africa. Africa is a beauty. Africa is the most beautiful to make this decision. If you watch, you go to watch my video. Make sure. I know I'm not perfect, but just a comment. Just comment you feel. Yes, just watch my video full. Yes, to make you happy. But if you feel you don't get more happiness, because happiness is coming for watching full video. Yes guys, so otherwise can enjoy now, and then yes. Yes guys, so I want to go now, to fix body, to fix the body in village. You know what is antidote? Water is the antidote. Yes. So when you shower, body is very fresh. It's perfect for to enjoy. Yes. The sun is so hot. So hot. Yes. Baby, you coming from Lawan, you coming, you know, fee, to enjoy this session line, to fix your evil, you know, temptation to every nation, see Navy Sea, to carry you. And it was a feeling late, too many will see.
Ngoja wewe ndo umenini. Sijui akionyeshi hapa.
Sasa.
Anafanya
Mpaka hao wengine wakuja wanakaa chini. Kupiga picha.
Hivyo. Ukikuja kukaa.
Ngoja. Wacha unaruka mundani. Ngoja nipate kitu. Ndio kama mundani. Inaonekana vizuri. Mfrani ni kama mwenye anakuonyesha kuja. Twende pale. Aya, kata hiyo ya kwanza la. Kata hiyo ya kwanza.
Ni kati.
The young boy, I watch him.
I can see.
Yes.
I'm watching you, right?
This is a baby. Sit down.
Down, no. Young boy.
It's a baby.
Yeah.
Baby. How you feel?
He feels very good.
The sweet. What is a sweet? Oh?
Yeah.
Oh. It's a sweet baby. Sit down. I wish you. It's a baby, beautiful baby from Africa.
African babies
African baby.
taking shower in the river.
They're taking shower
In the river.
in the river, guys. So
Ah.
you can swim also. You can come in.
Yeah.
Okay. You can see now.
Kaa tu hapo juu ama mwende huko chini. Enda huko chini kama una kinyasa, enda huko chini. Oh, enda uogeshe basi huko chini. Hapa tunafanya content hapa. Enda huko chini.
wengi, si ndio?
Anaogopa. Young boy. Don't fear water. Water is good.
Enjoy your water. Right?
Enjoy water, yo.
You guys see the bright future soon, right? It's a good job. I do the good job, guys.
Yeah, this is a nice job.
It's a young baby.
Have you finished?
Okay, you can all come here. You're not a kid.
Actually, I'm fearing my phone. I left it there. Haiko chini. Haiko chini. Iko tu humo ndani, iko hizo maneno. Kuna dundi lake. Stop.
Subscribe.
Dinya? Yo.
Gabi.